Okay, well, there we've got it. We've got the kitchen floor done. Just a couple little things. I got to get some stainless steel screws, put that down because then we're rusting. Same with the threshold here. A little putty just for the corners. Nothing's really square in here. And then here is the here's the bathroom, bedroom. I've got to order some PVC quarter round. We'll put it in there. But there we go. Got this pretty much done. Was going to staple down the floor, the carpeting. However, it looks like we're going to be putting carpeting in, so there's no sense in doing that. But just about got this one done, 99.9%.